Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava dough. First, gather your ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, a touch of vinegar, and a pinch of salt. We'll combine these in a large bowl, ensuring everything is well mixed. The goal is a soft, manageable dough that's easy to work with. This foundational step is crucial for achieving those signature delicate layers in your finished baklava. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 3/4 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix these ingredients together using a spoon or your hands until a shaggy, somewhat sticky dough forms. Don't worry if it looks a bit rough at this stage. We're just getting everything incorporated before the real work begins. This initial mix sets the stage for a smooth dough. Once your ingredients are combined, it's time for some serious kneading. Turn the shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it vigorously for 8 to 10 minutes. You'll notice it transforming from rough to wonderfully smooth and elastic. Form the dough into a neat ball, then lightly brush its surface with a little oil to prevent drying. Cover it with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is vital for gluten development and easier rolling. After resting, your dough is ready to be transformed into those signature paper-thin baklava layers. Divide the dough into 12 to 16 equal pieces. This makes rolling much more manageable. Working with one piece at a time, roll it out on a lightly floured surface as thinly as possible, aiming for near transparency. The thinner you roll, the flakier your baklava will be. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for other great kitchen finds and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.